सारे सेलिब्रिटीज भी आप स्पॉट कर पाओगे, डिजाइनर ड्यूप्स वगैरह भी आपको ना एक्चुअली हाफ ऑफ द प्राइस में भी मिल सकते हैं।
टीना दत्ता हो, शिवांगी जोशी हो, अशनूर कौर हो, अवनीत कौर हो, बहुत सारे टीवी के ऑलमोस्ट सारे सेलिब्रिटी ने मेरे साथ काम किया है।
भारती लाफ्टर क्वीन ने उनकी शादी के भी सारे आउटफिट्स शी हैज ओनली मेड सो मेनी। वाओ, दिस इज अंबानी स्टाइल जो एक्चुअली काफी वायरल हुआ था बीच में। इफ यू वांट टू स्टैंड आउट इन एनी ऑफ योर फंक्शंस you have to definitely visit this store, biggest manufacturers and wholesalers of Mumbai. So यहाँ पे ना up to 50% का discount चल रहा है. So this one is actually around 32,500 but roughly around 25 is what they said. Dress, oh my god, I just love it. It's so gorgeous, right?
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं बहुत टाइम बाद एक यूट्यूब ब्लॉग बना रही हूँ, स्पेशली एक मार्केट का। एंड दिस मार्केट इज़ वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट मार्केट। आई मीन आई हैव बीन कमिंग हियर फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 15-18 years। So I'm talking about लोकनवाला मार्केट विच इज़ इन अंधेरी वेस्ट। एंड यहाँ पे ना आपको काफ़ी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी आप स्पॉट कर पाओगे, वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड्स और प्रॉब्ली शॉपिंग इन एनी ऑफ द स्टोर्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज एक्चुअली आते हैं, बीट वेस्टर्न, इंडियन। दे हैव सम क्लासी पीसेस ऑल्सो, डिजाइनर ड्यूप्स वगैरह भी आपको ना एक्चुअली हाफ ऑफ द प्राइस में भी मिल सकते हैं। सो विदाउट फर्दर ado, let's begin this video. I want to start this video before the sun gets down. So let's quickly begin. The first store is Dhaga, a strand of Dori.
So Dori is basically one of the biggest brands, biggest manufacturers and wholesalers of Mumbai, and you will actually find them in a lot of stores in Mumbai and even outside Mumbai. Now they have opened their retail store in Lokhandwala, which is definitely a worth visit because of course they are the manufacturers, so इनके पास जो प्राइस होगी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव होंगे। एंड लोखंडवाला में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया काफ़ी क्लासी पीसेस मिलते हैं। आई हैव personally worn their outfits in a lot of stores. So let me quickly show you a few glimpses of the designs what they have here. Now this one is such a stunning piece. So this is like a cord set, perfect for wedding. So I'm going to show you a few glimpses. अलग अलग product categories मैंने निकाले हुए हैं. So look at this. They also have a trial room available here, and trust me, the collection is very good. मतलब I can't tell you. Sorry, not this one. I wanted to show you this. So you can see they have literally everything. Indo-Western sari, I mean ready to drape sari. They have everything. Very classy pieces. Just look at this. Every style is very different from the other one. I personally love this one. Look at this. What a beauty. Love the silhouettes. Too good. This one again, I actually had to ask his permission to show this one. This one is so classy. I mean, you just don't need anything except for a good earring and you're good to go. It's so good. I just love the flare, the fabric, the quality. Everything is 10 on 10. Okay, now they also have these ready to drape saris. The blouse is also completely heavy. It's actually very heavy. Is this handwork? Full handwork. Amazing. Okay, tell me the pricing of these.
Starting range goes around 20,000.
Starting range goes around 20,000. And the kind of pieces, sorry, it's too heavy. The kind of pieces what I've shown, what's the approx range? What does it start from?
We start from 6,000.
Okay.
Goes up to 28,000.
6,000 to 28,000 is for the outfits what I have shown. Of course, you can always, take a screenshot, and I'm also putting the details here and in the description box, so you can always reach out to them and check for the prices. Okay, now I know that I told you about wedding collection, but this one store which is Insha Creation, I actually couldn't resist sharing because they have some very premium चिकनकारी, हैंड वर्क, मुकेश वर्क, सब कुछ। एंड ऐसी कुछ चीज़ है जो एक्चुअली वेडिंग में काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लासी लगती है। तो छोटे मोटे फंक्शंस है उसके लिए, या फिर वाइल ट्रैवलिंग, मे बी डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग के टाइम पे, दे हैव सम परफेक्ट पीसेस। आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ आई कैन एक्चुअली शूट इन साइड और नो, बट लेट्स ट्राई, let's see if we can. Okay, so unfortunately they are not allowing me to shoot inside, but they have very nice pieces and I can see it's wholesale and retail, so I think the prices are good because they've mentioned. And this is one of the oldest stores. I mean, ये काफ़ी टाइम से है ये स्टोर जो मैं देख रही हूँ. So yes, if you're looking for good चिकनकारी premium work, because I can see cotton to muslin to all the type of चंदेरी, मल, सब कुछ मुझे यहाँ पे सारे मटेरियल्स दिख रहे हैं. मुझे फैब्रिक्स भी दिख रही है, बच्चों के लिए भी दिख रहा है. So I think overall this store is actually very good. So now I'm outside Ashoka and the designer's name is Rui Sui. and I can see some beautiful chunky jewelry, bags and some home decor items. Unfortunately, we are not able to shoot that because वो copy हो जाता है is what he's saying. But I can show you some pieces of dresses जहाँ पे up to 50% चल रहा है. Come with me. So they have a lot of pieces from daily wear to these kind of dresses, saris, everything. So the rough price range starts from 15,000. Of course, this one is not for 15,000, disclaimer. But they have a lot of varieties. Now I'll show you अगर आपको wedding के हिसाब से if you're looking, they have really beautiful pieces. You can see घेर काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. It's beautiful. I just love the collection they have. This cords again very nice, सारा handwork है. And then there's one more thing. ये तो last year ये जो blouse pattern है वो आलिया भट्ट वाला जो बहुत famous हो चुका था. But this one is one classy piece. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. I personally loved it. It also has this nice dupatta. So yes, they have a lot of things. There's one more thing which I want to show you is this corset dress. Oh my god, I just love it. It's so gorgeous, right? They also have these handwork wale lehenge. So basically they have a lot of things here, and as I told you कि jewelry में भी they have a lot of stunning varieties which मैं नहीं दिखा पा रही हूँ. But trust me, if you're looking out for some really nice fusion jewelry, you should definitely come here because they literally have so many amazing jewelry pieces. I wish मैं आपको बता पाती, but it's too good. I mean, I can see handcuffs to oxidized jewelry to those imitation jewelries, kundan wale, sab kuch hai. Very nice ones. So now we are at Studio S. Okay, and so यहाँ पे ना this one section जहाँ पे there's a label which is actually exhibiting for a here, and the other section is more like a wedding thing जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे beautiful outfits है. So let me show you guys a lot of pieces which I personally love, which I'm gonna handpick and show you guys. So they have a lot of pieces from daily wear to these kind of dresses, saris, everything. So the rough price range starts from 15,000. Of course, this one is not for 15,000, disclaimer. But they have a lot of varieties. Now I'll show you अगर आपको wedding के हिसाब से if you're looking, they have really beautiful pieces. You can see घेर काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. It's beautiful. I just love the collection they have. This cords again very nice, सारा handwork है. And then there's one more thing. ये तो last year ये जो blouse pattern है वो आलिया भट्ट वाला जो बहुत famous हो चुका था. But this one is one classy piece. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. I personally loved it. It also has this nice dupatta. So yes, they have a lot of things. There's one more thing which I want to show you is this corset dress. Oh my god, I just love it. It's so gorgeous, right? They also have these handwork wale lehenge. So basically they have a lot of things here, and as I told you कि jewelry में भी they have a lot of stunning varieties which मैं नहीं दिखा पा रही हूँ. But trust me, if you're looking out for some really nice fusion jewelry, you should definitely come here because they literally have so many amazing jewelry pieces. I wish मैं आपको बता पाती, but it's too good. I mean, I can see handcuffs to oxidized jewelry to those imitation jewelries, kundan wale, sab kuch hai. Very nice ones. So now we are at Studio S. Okay, and so यहाँ पे ना this one section जहाँ पे there's a label which is actually exhibiting for a here, and the other section is more like a wedding thing जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे beautiful outfits है. So let me show you guys a lot of pieces which I personally love, which I'm gonna handpick and show you guys. So now, as I told you that there are two brands here. This one is House of Style, and they have more like a minimalistic kind of a thing, so if you're looking out for something not so heavy for your small occasions, they have these. The starting price is around 5,000. It goes up to 15-18, and let me show you some more in this. So these are some different styles which I have picked up to show you guys. If you are also looking at probably some daily wear cords or something, they also have those, which you can see. So yeah, do drop by. Coming to the next segment is this, where I actually spotted a lot of premium things, and I'm sure you know what is this. I can't name it, but you guys know it. So yes, they have very nice things, as I told start of the video में, that what you can expect in this market and why this market is so famous amongst a lot of celebrities also. Just look at this. I mean, I tell you, this market has that hype for some reason because literally you get a lot of unique stuffs here. This is just not it. Let me show you. There are many more pieces actually. मुझे लगता है ये vlog ही actually कम पड़ जाएगा, काफ़ी लंबा बन जाएगा. But they have so many. Wow, this is Ambani style जो actually काफ़ी viral हुआ था बीच में. Look at this, yaar. This is so gorgeous. I really loved it. Yes, this was the one I was talking about. Just look at this. यार, it is so stunning. I can't tell you. I mean, आपको यहाँ पे personally आना पड़ेगा to see and to know what's the hype all about. It's too good. What's the starting price like?
12,000.
12,000 onwards.
Yeah.
12,000 onwards is the starting price. Of course, ये सब 12,000 का नहीं है. Just to let you guys know, because 12,000 is the starting price. But just look at this. Just look at these detailings. These are draped sarees. They've got very nice collection. मतलब मज़ा आ गया, honestly. मतलब मुझे यार शॉपिंग नहीं भी करना है तो भी शॉपिंग करने का मन हो जाएगा. Look at this. So nice. And these kind of prints, are actually so in. And this has this draped dhoti skirt types. So yes, do drop by. Again, I'm saying you that store details I'm going to give you in the description box. So House of Style also have these fabrics. So again, very premium one. आप देख सकते हैं सारा handwork है. Very beautiful. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत classy लगता है. Just look at this again. There are more. This is again pure mull. It is very classy piece. And this is tissue जो आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा in है. So yes, definitely I think it's a worth visiting place. अगर आप लोकल market आ रहे हो, you should definitely visit here. आपको कुछ ना कुछ definitely अच्छा लग ही जाएगा. Now this is Awesome by Bhavika Jaswani, and they have a lot of stunning pieces, as you guys can see, from Indo-Western to 2-piece, 3-piece, and these kind of lehengas. So yes, let me show you guys. So यहाँ पे ना up to 50% का discount चल रहा है. So this one is actually around 32,500, but roughly around 25 is what they said. Around 25, not exact 25, but you can see again this one is a very stunning piece, and they have many more such pieces, as you guys can see here. Look at these. So अगर आप bridal हो या फिर bridesmaid हो, if you're looking after some nice Sangeet carnival, they have literally so many things here. I really like this corset blouse. It's very good, and even this one is very stunning. You can see. मतलब आई थिंक मेहंदी हो या हल्दी हो या कोई भी फंक्शन के लिए देख रहे हो, दिस लुक्स वेरी क्लासी एंड सब कुछ इज अप टू 50% डिस्काउंट. Okay, now this is Fantasy, and they are here since last 20 years, and they have a lot of varieties. You'll find a lot of celebrities coming here. I can't name the celebrities, but यहाँ पे अगर आप bridesmaid के हिसाब से देख रहे हो, they have very nice collection for bridesmaid. So you can see काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें. गिफ्टिंग का ऑप्शन भी है इनके पास. गिफ्टिंग की साड़ियाँ हैं अराउंड 2000 के आसपास, अंडर 2000 के आसपास, जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. बट यू हैव टू सी दिस फ्रॉम साड़ी टू, sorry my bad. So here they have some sarees to lehengas to gowns, everything. So अगर आप bridesmaid हो या आपके घर में शादी है, true show के हिसाब से देख रहे हो, they have a lot of things. Let me show you guys inside now. Now here you'll get sizes from medium to 3XL, and you can see, I say, everything, like they literally have everything. And as I told you, so they are here since last more than 20 years, and one of the renowned place in Lokhandwala for shopping. A lot of people just prefer coming here because that trust is there. So just showing you some pieces so that you can see the different varieties what they have to offer. Just look at this, it's so stunning. Now in Indo-Western also they have a lot of varieties. Just look at this. I'm sure they also have colors, right, in this? Yes, they do have colors in this. I personally like these kind of subtle colors. They are still very in. And yes, the jacket style is something, again, which a lot of people are preferring. So yes, बहुत सारी amazing चीज़ें. Oh.
This looks very pretty after wearing it.
Wow, nice. Very nice again. So yes, the customer service, everything is very good. Now coming to the thing which I was telling you, the saris. So they have these gifting options के लिए, you know, वो लेन देन के हिसाब से जो saris चाहिए रहती है, they have these things also under 2000 rupees, and yeah, and the quality and everything is actually very good as per the price they are quoting. And I've just removed different saris, you know, different type of saris, so that you can have a look. आप देख सकते हो, सब में कलर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है ऑफ कोर्स. नाउ दीज आर दिस वंतारा प्रिंट, एंड ये सारा हैंड वूवन है. लेट मी शो यू गाइज. ये देखिए, ये सारा हाथ का काम है, सारा हैंड वीविंग है. एंड ये वंतारा इज एक्चुअली सो इन दीज डेज. लहंगा हो, साड़ी हो, ड्रेसेस हो, पीपल आर एक्चुअली गोइंग bonkers over this. So yes, you should definitely invest one. These are timeless pieces, and इसमें भी बहुत सारे varieties है. Let me show you guys. ये वाला देखिए, this is again Vantara print, and ये येलो वाला तो है, ये उसी का कलर. So they have multiple colors as you can see. So coming to this, so blouse के साथ सारी नहीं है, they also have a different rack for the blouses. So अगर आपको ऐसे mix and match में भी अगर आपको करना है तो वो भी अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. ये कुछ 3.5-4 के आसपास की सारी साड़ीज है, पैठनी है, सारे मतलब ये पटोला है, आप देख सकते हो. यू नो, दे लिटरली हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. यो सो आपको साड़ीज में भी, यू नो, अगेन दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वैराइटीज. एंड लोकनवाला मार्केट में ऐसे टाइप के साड़ीज, यू नो, इन दिस बजट बहुत कम मिलेगा. यू नो, इट्स वेरी रेयर टू फाइंड. इफ यू लुकिंग आउट फॉर गिफ्टिंग पर्पस या एनीथिंग, ओ वाओ, लुक एट दिस, दिस इज सो गॉर्जियस. या बहुत सुंदर है. सो येस, यू शुड डेफिनेटली विजिट फैंटेसी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपकी सारी फैंटेसीज एक्चुअली पूरी होने वाली है. Now they also have these thoda sa light wala, and if you like more jazzy, so they have these, you know, for your carnival, for your sangeet, they have a lot of options. And please lijiye. And they have this again. Corset is, yes, one of the hit item actually, you know, this year 2025 में, and actually 2026 में भी corset बहुत ज़्यादा in होने वाला है. So you know, if you want to have something like this, again बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आप देख सकते हो पूरा ओम्ब्रे में है. It's a very nice piece. Again, very good for sangeet, for carnival reception. It's going to look amazing. I love this one as well. So यहाँ पे ना बहुत सारे pieces है. आप यहाँ पे आओगे तो you will definitely find some or the other things. ये देखिए, this one is again so beautiful.
संगीत के लिए very beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful piece for sangeet. So do visit Fantasy. I am dropping down their address and all the details here. Now this is House of Aradia Bang opposite Fantasy, and I can see some beautiful, stunning designer outfits. I'm super excited to show you guys. Come with me. If you want to stand out in any of your functions, you have to definitely visit this store. They have some stunning pieces. This one has a slit right here, and just look at these detailings. Oh my god, I just love it. And they also have many more pieces. Actually मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं क्या दिखाऊँ और क्या ना दिखाऊँ. They have lot of stunning pieces. Look at this corset again, as I'm telling you again and again, it's so in. So you'll find corset a lot of places in Lokhandwala, but this store precisely I can actually see a lot of good designer outfits जो मैंने और कहीं नहीं देखा अभी तक. Look at this one again. Very nice, because I think these are their in-house designs. So आपको यहाँ पे जो designs मिलेगी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा unique है. So these are some of the beautiful pieces which I absolutely loved it. But yes, they also do customization. So if you have शादी अपने घर पे bridesmaid के हिसाब से देख रहे हो या trousseau के हिसाब से देख रहे हो, want to have something very different, you should definitely come here. I can actually hear the tailor also inside. सब कुछ in-house बन रहा है is what I can see. So definitely worth visiting. I personally love this store. Every piece is so different from another, and fabrics भी काफ़ी अलग-अलग है, आप देख सकते हो. Beautiful यार, just look at this. Loved it, guys. You have to come here. कुछ अलग चाहिए, you know, कुछ different चाहिए, you have to visit here. So she is the super talented designer.
Aradhya, and this is her brand. And she just told me कि भारती लाफ्टर क्वीन, जिसको हम सब जानते हैं, जिसके यूट्यूब ब्लॉग्स तो आजकल इतने ज़्यादा फेमस हो रखे, इतने ज़्यादा वायरल हो रखे, उनकी शादी के भी सारे आउटफिट्स शी हैज़ ओनली मेड. एंड लोकनवाला मार्केट में शी वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू हैव दिस कस्टमाइज्ड काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. सो लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम हर. मैम, प्लीज बताइए.
मैं करीब 18 ईयर से एज ए डिज़ाइनर काम कर रही हूँ और जिस वक्त लोखंडवाला में एक भी कस्टमाइज स्टूडियो नहीं था उस वक्त मैंने शुरू किया था और टीवी के ऑलमोस्ट सारे सेलिब्रिटी जो भी है वो उन्होंने मेरे साथ काम किया है, चाहे टीना दत्ता हो, शिवांगी जोशी हो, अशनूर कौर हो, अवनीत कौर हो, बहुत सारे टीवी के ऑलमोस्ट सारे सेलिब्रिटी ने मेरे साथ काम किया है. और मेरा जो स्टूडियो कस्टमाइजेशन में आप कुछ भी बनवाना चाहते हो किसी भी फंक्शन के लिए तो आप हमारे यहाँ विजिट कर सकते हो. इसके अलावा मैं फ़ैशन शोज़ भी करती हूँ और मुझे अच्छा लगेगा कि अगर मैं नेक्स्ट करूँ तो आप हमारे शो में भी पार्टिसिपेट करो, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. सो येस, इट्स डेफिनेटली अ वर्थ विजिटिंग स्टोर. मैंने अब जैसे मैं कब से आपको बोले जा रही हूँ कि ये कितना यूनिक है, इतना मैंने 10 बार बोला यूनिक यूनिक यूनिक. उसके बाद मैम ने मुझे बताया कि येस. एंड मैंने एक्चुअली इनके काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस भी एक्चुअली बीच में आई थिंक वायरल हुए थे इनके. सो येस, यू शुड डेफिनेटली कम एंड विजिट हो. शी सुपर टैलेंटेड. यार क्या डिज़ाइंस बनाई आपने. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज़ beautiful. I think one of the most outstanding store which I can say, in Lokhandwala, which I've covered today.
Okay, now while you thought that Lokhandwala market is actually over, it's not. There are two beautiful brands which I want to show. That is, one is Style Bombay Annex and the other one is Arika Fashion Studio. दोनों ही मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. Now this is exactly opposite Harsha and Rakesh salon, which you can see right there. So exactly उसके सामने है. बिकॉज लोगों को लगता है वो उतना ही लेन है लोखंडवाला मार्केट और वहीं तक जाते. बट दिस वन ब्रांड दे हैव ब्यूटीफुल स्टफ्स अगेन. ऐसी चीज़ें जो मैंने और कहीं नहीं देखी है, लाइक ब्रोकेड्स, टिश्यूज. सो लेट मी शो यू गाइस. ऑनेस्टली पूरे लोखंडवाला मार्केट में आई हैव नॉट सीन समथिंग लाइक दिस. ये सारे ब्रोकेड वाले जो है बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहे हैं. एंड हैव मेनी मोर वैराइटीज़ लाइक दिस. दिस वन इज़ अगेन टिश्यू, प्योर टिश्यू पे इसका ये कॉर्सेट है. देयर आर मेनी मोर पीस व्हिच आई वांट टू शो यू. कम इनसाइड. Now, as I said, that they have a lot of beautiful pieces, very unique one in brocade. So this is one of those. I love the detailings of the dupatta also. काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. Overall, it's very good. Then coming to raw silk also, they have this. मुझे ऐसे pieces बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. काफ़ी simple, classy, elegant लगते हैं. They also have this in tissue. One second. Yeah, they also have these gowns in tissue. It has this dupatta. So yes, length भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. Someone like me who's 5'9", if I am liking this length, then I'm sure आपको ये proper हो जाएगा. It's very nice. Again, this is something which I have not seen anywhere in Lokhandwala market. This is again brocade. Very nice, very timeless, elegant piece. I love these detailings here. And the dupatta I want to really highlight. One second. Just look at this dupatta. पूरा मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा स्टनिंग लग रहा है. जस्ट लव इट. नाउ दिस इज़ अ कॉर्ड्स. ये पूरा बनारसी पैंट्स के साथ है. सो दे हैव गॉट वेरी नाइस एंड इवन डेली वेयर के हिसाब से ऑल्सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीसेस फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. Right here, I really like this. This is around 5,000, which I can see, but very premium. यार, just look at this. कितना classy लग रहा है. They've got many more pieces like this. Just look at this. छोटे मोटे function के लिए I think it's perfect. So again, coming to the other designs which I want to highlight is this. Then they have these kind of dresses with spaghettis. So yes, do drop by because they have, again as I said, very different collection from the market. I have honestly lost the count. मैंने कितनी बार बोला है यहाँ पे that I love Ajrak print, and this one is again very nice. A very nice way of showing my favorite Ajrak. And they also have this kind of jumpsuit. So yes, overall this store has a lot of varieties. If you are around Lokhandwala for sure for your wedding shopping, please stop by because इनके पास as I said कुछ अलग देखने मिलेगा आपको. एंड इनकी सारी डिटेल्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है. Jumpsuit is so good, very lightweight, yet very beautiful and elegant. एकदम flowy material. I really loved it. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है and it's alternate of course. So very amazing. Okay, now this one is the last store which I want to show you, but one of the best stores I have to tell you, because again इनके पास जो collection is again very unique, because आप पूरे मार्केट में जाओगे, जहाँ जहाँ मैंने ये चीज़ बोली आपको यहाँ पे एक्चुअली काफ़ी डिफरेंट चीज़ें मिलेगी. एंड नाउ दिस इज़ आरिका फैशन स्टूडियो, जहाँ पे आपको यू नो रेडी टू ड्रेप साड़ीज, कॉसेट वाले, फिर लहंगे, काफ़ी डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ मिलेगी. एंड अगेन quite a few celebrities come here to shop. Let me show you guys why I'm hyping this place so much. Okay, now this one is the last store which I want to show you, but one of the best stores I have to tell you, because again इनके पास जो collection is again very unique, because आप पूरे मार्केट में जाओगे, जहाँ जहाँ मैंने ये चीज़ बोली आपको यहाँ पे एक्चुअली काफ़ी डिफरेंट चीज़ें मिलेगी. एंड नाउ दिस इज़ आरिका फैशन स्टूडियो, जहाँ पे आपको यू नो रेडी टू ड्रेप साड़ीज, कॉसेट वाले, फिर लहंगे, काफ़ी डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ मिलेगी. And again, quite a few celebrities come here to shop. Let me show you guys why I'm hyping this place so much. Now look at this piece. I mean, wow. What a different, very unique जो हमने पूरे मार्केट में नहीं देखा है. They have got very nice piece. ब्रोकेड वाले भी लहंगे जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. मैं आपको सब कुछ एक एक करके दिखाती हूँ. 1 second. So now this one is the brocade one which I was telling you. काफ़ी ज़्यादा, मतलब इसमें ना 2-3 कलर्स और भी है, बट आप देख सकते हो ये पूरा लहंगा ब्रोकेड का है एंड ब्लाउज में पूरा हैंडवर्क किया हुआ है. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. द दुपट्टा इज़ ऑल्सो सो गॉर्जियस. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है. मतलब शादी के हिसाब से देख रहे हो या फिर एंगेजमेंट या कोई भी फंक्शन, मेहंदी के हिसाब से देख रहे हो, मतलब दीज पीसेस दे एक्चुअली लुक सो गुड. नाउ आई लव देयर ड्रेप साड़ीज एंड कॉर्सेट साड़ीज. अभी एक्चुअली इतने है नहीं, फिलहाल आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है. दे आर एक्चुअली गोना गेट मोर स्टॉक नाउ, बट इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. इनके ना मैंने 1-2 वीडियोस भी पहले यू नो आपको बताए हैं, रील्स में है, शॉर्ट्स में है, सो यू कैन चेक दैट. एंड इनफैक्ट वो खुद भी काफ़ी एक्टिव है अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे भी. यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक देम ऑन देयर इंस्टाग्राम पेज. सो दे हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ स्टनिंग डिजाइंस. आई हैव टू टेल यू गाइज, look at these. This one is actually you know that Alia Bhatt inspired, जो आजकल काफ़ी थोड़ा सा you know चल रहा है ट्रेंड में. So this is that. This one is again Indo-Western. So they have a lot of varieties from jumpsuits to lehengas to sarees. Everything they have here. So guys, I hope you like this video, and ऐसे ही interesting videos के लिए do subscribe to my channel. Save and share this video, जिससे अगर आपके घर में शादी है या आपके फ्रेंड्स फैमिली के घर पे शादी है and they want something different, लोखंडवाला मार्केट इज एक्चुअली द ओनली मार्केट यू शुड कम टू. अगर आपको कुछ डिफरेंट यूनिक चाहिए, सेलिब्रिटी स्टाइल चाहिए, या फिर यू नो पिंटरेस्ट इंस्पायर्ड चाहिए, या फिर आपको कुछ ड्यूप्स चाहिए यू नो हाई एंड ब्रांड्स के, तो आपको जेन्यूनली यहाँ पे मिलेगा. वेस्टर्न हो, इंडियन हो, लोखंडवाला मार्केट इज एक्चुअली नोन फॉर दिस. बट आज मुझे आपको स्पेसिफिकली वेडिंग शॉपिंग के हिसाब से ही दिखाना था. So this video was only about that. I have handpicked these stores and I have tried showing you some of the best stores in Lokhandwala market. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next video.